Hey everybody, it's Lisa. So we are going to talk about facial massage today. We are going to talk about who our winners are today. And as you can see, we are in our VRBO in California. And I want to thank all of you for your incredible prayers. Get your husband's PSA checked. Okay, we're just going to get into it. I'm Lisa. I've been a master esthetician, a holistic master esthetician for 40 years. That means no needles, no procedures or pills. And I help hundreds of thousands of clients around the world have beautiful, healthy skin naturally. I wear no foundation or concealer in these videos. And I say that every single time so you know that what you're seeing is a real woman aging. I am 59 and I am so proud of that. And I hope I encourage all of you. So I think we'll start off with telling you who the winners are today. We did a video for 100,000 subscribers, and these were picked randomly by John, and these are the people that I would love to reach out to me at lisa@peachesskincare.com. Okay, Nora Kowalch, NORAKOWALCH, at Carrie 402, Violet Gypsy, and Jamie Gibson 6868. You are the winners of a full line of Peaches products. And if you already have it, you can give it to a friend or save it for when you need it. All right, let's get into some of the things you're all wanting to know. We're going to do some massage, some facial yoga. I think it's so important, but I want to educate you a little bit before. So understand that I have to educate you on how skin works so that you get the best result. Skin is such a remarkable organ and it takes suggestion so easily. So if you're not seeing changes, you're doing something that is not making the cookies come out right. You're not adding the baking soda. You didn't add the little bit of salt. It's really that important. So what does that mean? That means your routine is everything. Of course, I would love the whole world on Peaches. The routine is phenomenal. Peaches, comment below. But your routine is everything. If you're using crummy cleanser, I think a lot of the cleansers that are shown on social media, the cheaper ones, are really watered down cream. They're not antioxidants. They're not doing anything. If you're not using a family of products. Many times the chemist has created this product and another chemist has created this product, and they're not sure how they're going to work together, so they can create an issue. So bottom line, routine is everything. Exfoliating gently, cleansing to feed, it's so important. The next thing I want you to know is the skin is an oil-loving organ. So to any of you who say that you have different types of skin, we all have normal skin. It's what we're born with, unless there's a very rare circumstance where you're not. But it's about how you were taking care of your skin from a very young age. And it is why by the time we're in our early 20s, we have created so much of the damage and our skin thickens and calluses to protect itself, just like the heels of your feet or your elbows or any skin on your body. So it's about removing that callus and bringing up healthy new tissue. The more that we do this routine, understanding how this skin works, not covering it up with junk like foundation, concealer, bad sunscreen, protecting our skin, wide-brimmed hat outside, the better the result of massage and gua sha and your products that you're going to get. If you don't apply oil, your skin tries to make too much oil. If you over dry your skin with too many actives, lasers, chemicals, things that I really don't like, things like microneedling, remember, I have seen hundreds and hundreds of thousands of clients in my 40 years, and I can tell you what these things actually do. So really listen, try to hear what I'm trying to say, and you will get results. So now let's get into massage. A lot of you ask me, where do I do my massage, Lisa? Now, some people love to do it in the morning. I prefer to do my massage at night. To me, it's releasing toxins from the day. It's getting oxygen flowing. We know that oxygen creates, or massage creates oxygenation of skin cells, and therefore blood flow creates oxygenation of skin cells and therefore collagen at any age. So it is so important to recognize doing your massage at night, even if you choose to do it in the morning. When do I do it? I do my full routine all the way to my classic moisturizer and Glow Plus moisturizer. Okay, so I've done my serums and everything. That is when I do my microcurrent. I don't use any of the things that come with it. I don't believe in it. I think a lot of those things are money grabs. You don't need them, and they can really create a problem on your skin. Just go right to your moisturizer, do your microcurrent. Microcurrent at home is more about maintenance. Microcurrent in a salon, if you happen to be lucky enough to be a Peaches skincare client, is professional and amazing. In fact, I did it every week. I had so many clients that did it every week. So if you can, and you're seeing one of the girls in Naples or one of the girls in Montgomery, go and get your microcurrent constantly. What does microcurrent do? It tells the brain where you want the muscles, creating muscle memory. We know this works. It also creates a place to work those 42 muscles of your face and 43 with your neck. Muscle memory is something, microcurrent is something that has been around for decades. When people, like athletes, have surgery or prior to surgery or with an injury, they'll hook them up to a little electrodes of microcurrent and it'll work that muscle. It is something done even today. So don't think microcurrent doesn't work. However, the machine matters. I will always love NuFace. I love a NuFace Mini. You would never want to do gloves at home or any of these other devices. I have had them sent to me. They're just not good. They're very junky and they're not the best for your skin. This is where my money would go. I'm not paid by NuFace. The second thing is, after I do my microcurrent, so I've put my muscles, I've really helped to give them a lift, work them out. I then go to my gua sha and facial yoga. Now, gua sha is something really easy to do. It may look like I'm moving my face a lot. I'm really being quite gentle, but I am getting into that deep muscle. Think of it as deep muscle massage. You know, I've showed you so many times in videos, get the blood flowing, get everything drained. You know, this is where I carry all of my allergies, my left side of my face. I had a cold last week. I could feel it draining, and it's always draining over here. So I tend to really try to clean that lymph area out and that area and clean it. Just doing that is amazing how much I feel. Hopefully I don't start to cough. It draining and excuse me. So this can be such an incredible tool for cleaning things out, and I have videos on it. However, it is also an amazing tool for really lifting the face and working those muscles and getting the blood flowing. You put it in an angle, you smoothly run it across the face, you go out to your pressure points and you move it to create blood flow and oxygen, and it creates an ending point. This is such an important device in my skincare routine, understanding the skin, and gua sha. I do this every single night in front of the television. I have a little bag I keep all of my things in, even here at the VRBO, and it is something that is a game changer. I also love using my hands, working those muscles. It's always about lifting them up, lifting up those 42 muscles in your face, 43 with your neck. Again, don't be afraid to really get that blood flowing. If you saw me out and about during the day, you would see me doing that during the day. There's so many times I just get the blood flowing in my face. I think it is one of the reasons that my skin tone is really great. I've had people say, oh, you were born with that. Not true at all. I've really had to work at my skin. I've learned so much in my journey as a holistic master esthetician, the CEO of a skincare company. I understand ingredients. I understand how the skin works. I can help you if you ask with love and kindness. And I'll tell you, when I feel that blood flowing, I feel better. I feel like everything's lifting. So massage, gua sha, facial yoga are so, so important for the health of your skin. Routine, understanding skin, and doing massage. I know so many of you want me to show you more moves or more gua sha moves. Go back and look at the videos I already have, and I will continue to teach you why they are important like I did today. Thank you for all your prayers for Kent. Thank you for being here, for getting us over 100,000. Let's get to 200,000 fast and spread this amazing message that as we age, we are better. Whether it's 25, 35, 105, we get better. And I hope I've helped all of you to uncover your true confidence.